Just wanted to have a little PSA here. Check your wheel well liners. Mound of dirt, size of a softball just came out of here. Just vacuumed it all up. As the previous owner, Fender rolled the liner in there, so peeled it back a little bit and got a bunch of dirt out, and so I can show you what sizes I used here. So you can see it's still dirty in there. Got work to do. But all along here is going to be push pins. You'll take a pick, push the center of that pin in, and then you'll be able to pull the front half of it out with a flathead. Pops right out. On the bottom, there is a 8mm at the rear. On the inner two sides, connect to the frame rail. Nothing up here except for in this corner. Got one there and one there. Well, this will be tucked underneath of your side skirt. This is a 4-door Touring. It was tucked under my side skirt, so you have to pull it kind of away from you towards the other side of the car, and you pull it down if you don't want to pull this off or snap your connectors. So luckily for me, this car's garage kept, so this was dry, so I just used scrubbing brush, same one I used on the intake manifold, and just parts brush. Just dry, and you know, went all through there, got any bit of dirt out, no more dirt in there, it's all clean. Here's the passenger side. You can see that's also filled up, so just kind of clean that out, and we'll get our brush in there, brush all that out, and vacuum it up. Reassembled, car is good to go. Appreciate you if you tuned in. Till next time, peace.